somebody, why won't the door work? Well, it works when you use the inside handle. See that? But what happens when you use the outside handle is this little lever right here. Camera where we can see it. This little lever right here moves. Well, this little lever is supposed to be pushing this one, but this lever is on the wrong side of it. It's jumped over. What needs to happen is I need to get this lever to be behind this one so that when this one goes, it'll push that. Because when I do that, there's my handle working, nothing's happening. When I grab this rod right here and push this thing down, it opens the door. I can't make that happen and hold the camera all at the same time, so I'm gonna put the rod in the right place, and then maybe I can show you what I mean. Okay, now I've moved this pin so that when this handle moves, it will push that pin. And I'm going to duplicate the door being closed by using a wrench. And I push on this, and that closes the door. You see that? So now when I work my handle from outside here, that opens the door. You can see that's a little bit tenuous right there. I don't know if some grease on it or something would help or what, but I'll grease everything up, oil everything up, get everything working smooth, and we'll try it. I might run it with the door panel off it for a while just so I can keep an eye on it. That way if anything messes up I can fix it. Okay, that's fixed now. I'll show you. If you close the door like this, reach out here and work the handle, it works. I also oiled up the lock so that the lock works good, and the window crank. And what I did was I bent this thing right here, this copper looking piece, put my hammer on there and drove it down in hard so that this hits it at a good angle, and it's kind of close to the body. It had kind of sprung out. That's not very strong stuff there, I'm thinking, but it's working good now.